Welcome to PremiumSelectSupplies.com. We carry all of the Streamlight TLR-6 models that fit several subcompact handguns. This is the one that is a universal kit that includes one light plus 6 different housings. This is not going to be our typical how-to video. If you want to see more specifics on installation and operation, please refer to our other videos on our YouTube channel. This video is to simply let you know that Streamlight makes this universal kit available if you're looking to use this light on multiple handguns. Now keep in mind, it only comes with one light, so it's not something that you can have on multiple handguns at the same time. So if you're going to put this on one handgun and maybe after 2 or 3 months you decide, you know what, I want this light on a different gun, well, it's going to have a housing for you. You're going to want to refer to the description of which guns that these housings are made for. It comes with the Allen wrench, and that's to undo the screws. And I'll show you here for one example. There's the screw holes. Here's one with the light already installed. So you're going to undo those screws with that Allen wrench and then take the light out and reinstall that into the housing that you want. And it does come with the lithium-ion batteries. And again, for installation and operation, please refer to our other videos. These normally cost $122.18, but if you use code YT10 at checkout, it's only going to cost you $109.96, and that includes free shipping. The same deal still applies for all the other TLR-6 models as well, but the prices do vary. We hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Make sure to hit that thumbs up and subscribe right now. And if you subscribe, you're going to see all those other videos come up as well. Again, thank you for watching. Please share this with your friends and family. Thank you.